SAP has issued a deadline. By 2027, all companies still running the old SAP system, called ECC, must migrate to SAP S4HANA. That's thousands of enterprises, millions of users, and an enormous wave of projects that need qualified professionals. If you work with SAP or want to, this deadline is your opportunity. Let me explain exactly what S4HANA is and why it changes everything. What is SAP S4HANA? SAP S4HANA is SAP's next-generation enterprise resource planning platform, built on SAP's own in-memory database called HANA. The S stands for Suite, the 4 for the fourth generation, and HANA for the database technology underneath. Unlike the old SAP ECC system, S4HANA is designed for real-time data processing, can be deployed in the cloud or on-premise, and has a completely redesigned user interface called SAP Fiori. How is S4HANA different from old SAP ECC? SAP ECC runs on traditional databases and was built in the 1990s. It's powerful but slow for real-time analytics and complex to maintain. S4HANA replaces multiple tables with a simplified data model, dramatically reducing processing times. What took hours in ECC can run in seconds in S4HANA. The Fiori interface replaces the old green screen SAP GUI with a modern, role-based web interface that works on any device. What jobs are being created? Every company migrating to S4HANA needs SAP consultants, functional experts who understand how the business processes map to the new system. SAP S4HANA Finance Consultants. SAP S4HANA Logistics and Procurement Specialists. SAP Basis Administrators managing the technical infrastructure. SAP Project Managers overseeing migrations. These roles are in massive demand globally, and will be for the next 5 to 7 years minimum. SAP S4HANA salaries. Who should learn SAP S4HANA? If you already work with SAP ECC, upgrading your knowledge to S4HANA is not optional, it's urgent. If you're new to SAP, S4HANA is where you should start, not ECC. If you work in finance, supply chain, or procurement and want a high-value IT specialization, S4HANA is one of the most lucrative paths available. How to get started? Uplatz offers SAP S4HANA courses across finance, logistics, and technical modules. Courses are self-paced, affordable, and taught by consultants who have worked on real S4HANA implementations. You'll get hands-on access to an SAP system, not just slides and theory. The 2027 deadline is creating a window of opportunity that won't last forever. Get S4HANA certified now, while companies are actively building their migration teams. Visit Uplatz.com to explore our SAP S4HANA courses and position yourself for one of the best paid roles in enterprise IT. Subscribe for more SAP career insights.